Hi guys, this is Mia. Today guys, we're gonna do activity, and last week we do open toys and books. Today we're gonna do activity guys. Just
Which activity you're going to do?
I will do activity space. Now guys, I will take a paper, then I will draw a space and cut it, then I will paste in a paper, then I will color, then do the paper black, and it will done.
Okay.
Now let's make it. This is a plain paper. I will draw space and cut it, then I will stick it in this one. That's good. Let's guys draw the space, then we're gonna cut it. First is I will swap my pencil. This is guys the alien in the spaceship. Now guys, I'm gonna cut. Let's cut it. I'm done the spacing. This is the spacing. Now I'm gonna stick it. I stick it. Now I'm gonna color the space. Let's color the alien green. Let's color green. Then I'm gonna use pink in this tone. And then I'm gonna use my favorite blue. By this black, now let's color it black. done. I draw the spaceship. I'm done. Guys, I draw the spaceship. Look, I draw the spaceship. This is the alien and this is stars. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe my video. Thank you. And like my video. Thank you.